This is our dosage plant. We have the main control panel here, which effectively controls the 4 rotary valves, together with the level detectors and the main auger which runs through. The auger is a single auger which has the auger fins going to just past the centre there and the reverse coming to the centre back here. So it all feeds down onto a conveyor which is behind the steps, and the conveyor takes the product into the factory with covers over it to extract any dust particles back into the extraction system. Over here we have the large blue dust particle extractor, where we put 20 kilograms of bag through on the other side, on the platform side of here. Basically open the door, the fan comes on, bags go into a grate, they are then opened up, material drops down, dust goes up into the top bags, empty maybe half a dozen bags, 100 kilograms into the hopper, and then close the hopper. When the hopper's closed, the fans then stop and shake the remaining dust that's been collected back down into the hopper. And then it's fed through the rotary valves with a level detector controlling it through to the centre. The rotary valves are a 6-blade valve, and they are adjusted independently in the control panel or on the main Siemens panel up here. So these are variable to the quantities. We use it for mixing, and presumably somebody else will use it for the same potential. These are the 3 hoist units, which are basically taking the 1 to 1.5 ton bags that we put on it. They're actually rated at 1.25 kilograms, so it's in that order. Down on the side here we have one that we haven't used for a while, so we put it to one side, but this is connected to the crane, as you'll see in a second, with the 4 lugs which go onto the 4 handles of the bag. We have a roller shutter area which the forklift brings the material in and puts it down to here, and it's this point that we traverse the cranes across over the bag, lower the heavy circular grab onto the bags, put the handles onto them, lift them back up and traverse them back over, and then drop them down onto the pods, which we've got the view-in pods on there. They are just strapped on, and again depends what bags you buy on them. On the rotary valve we have level detectors at the back, which we might be able to see in a second, which control the rotary valve. So if it senses that there's either a blockage in the bag or the bag has run out, then the rotary valves will then cease to operate, and a light comes on, and it's obvious that something needs to be done. Either the bag needs changing, or if there's a blockage in the bag for any reason, then it can be dealt with. It can be dealt with by gaining access to the panel below it with the clear glass on it, and there's also a catching tray underneath the panel for any dust that comes out. So as I say, there's 3 all controllable control mixes thing. Very substantially built with, what is that, 6-8 inch square stanchions to support it all, and it has its own building to protect it. The building is a 3-wall building, which is actually put against the factory wall, and it's slightly higher than the factory that we've got it in at the moment, so there is a back section at the very top which goes over the guttering. And at the back of the dosage plant, which you can enter from the steps and through a doorway from inside the factory, you can then walk along the back for any maintenance work that's required, but we also have used that for storing our bags of fine granules that go into the dust extraction plant.